Look who just arrived. Just in time.
Hello, babe.
This
Thank you.
handsome guy with this handsome car.
Oh yeah. Handsome merch.
Repping the merch. Still has the old wrap right here.
Where my brother? Happy birthday. Officer, stock.
It's stock.
Stock officer, I promise. Oh,
You brought a whole new car in here, bro.
we're finally gonna silence the beast because
Oh, you're gonna make it.
so close to getting pulled over.
If you get pulled over in Cali, it's game over.
It's over. It's literally over.
Are those the strut bars?
Yes, sir.
Oh shit!
Forged carbon.
Bro, we gotta get some B-roll with the other camera. This shit looks f***ing beautiful. So yeah, we've seen the car before in the channel. It was completely different the first time we saw it. The first time I saw it in person, and I got to experience it too. We did a few pulls.
This build suffered a lot. It got almost totaled by a drunk driver. This engine could have been done already with the money I paid to fix it. I'll show you guys some pictures.
Tell us all the parts that you have here today.
I brought an Armor Speed intake, Forged Carbon edition. And some Forged Carbon engine strut bars, oil port cooling plate, and we're gonna do some oil changing, putting some resonators on. Charge bar didn't get here, but for sure once I get the charge bar, I'm gonna crank the boost up.
How much do you think it's gonna be making after power?
Nothing crazy, probably like maybe 550. And then once I get all these mounts on right now, I'm gonna talk to Darden. He's gonna get retuned, so we should be doing maybe 600. Well, we're gonna start with the intake, and then from there we can do the oil cooling plate and the resonators. To finalize it, it's gonna be the engine strut bars.
I can't wait to get back in the car once you got like the tune and all the other mods to see how much difference it's gonna be. So let's get to it.
Yes, sir. There's nothing too crazy. It's gonna be like a cut like this.
A little breather right there, and then you gotta undo the map sensor.
Yeah.
Post clamps. Then this one doesn't have any bolts holding. It doesn't look like it's just grommets.
Yeah, we're gonna have to just pop, pop.
That's not that dirty. This shit comes out too, right?
Yes. And it's a girl.
Alright, so now we gotta install a new one. The pretty looking one. Yes, sir.
Here. Check it out. Yes. It's almost as sexy as Super Puppy. We're gonna have to install this part. Well, pretty much it goes at this end. This piece and that piece will connect to the turbo port right there.
So it goes at the base.
Yes.
Did it fall on your face?
Almost.
Put that thing on, boy.
I'm putting it on. Oh, come on. Okay, put you right here. Don't fall. This fit, man.
It's a lot of finessing.
Yes, it is. Super tight fit. I'm still salty with my I told him that the guy was drunk. Imagine the parts just took like a week to work.
I love how it looks like all blacked out.
Yeah, that's literally what I'm going for right now.
Because you always see the colder intakes being red or a different color. Yeah, so it looks good in all black. Yeah. Turn it on. Holy shit, boy! Holy.
Which way?
Yeah, you're good like that, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, look this. What's this?
Got the shield, and apparently the bolts go through the fence, and then it has a nut on the other side. Sorry, got this one lined up. Installing this plate's a little bit tricky, trying to get the bolts to go through. It feels like it doesn't want to go in, and you just gotta play around with it. Sometimes you gotta lift up the back end a little bit more, and then to be able to line it up with the front ones, you gotta pull it down a little bit. It's gonna allow the bolt to line in and be able to go through and put the nut on the other side.
Like shift it.
Plate is installed. You're gonna get all the cooling you ever need out of this. It looks nice. It wasn't that bad. It was just fucking annoying to trying to get the bolts in, but got it done. So that's it for the mods.
Bolts facing down, and I've scraped on them before.
Yeah, my brother did the same shit.
Like this, look like this one.
Yeah.
They're down. That's no bueno.
So I can get in here. Cover your ears, boys. Alright, put the quiet thing on. Hey, should we start it like that?
No, dude.
You get the cops calling you ASAP. Alright, slide the clamp over it, just so it like holds it in place. Shit. This is me when I drink too much Jack Daniels. We installed the little resonators because it's California and the car was way too loud, as you guys heard it before. Just so you don't catch as much attention from the cops.
I don't want to get stay ready.
Yeah, because if you get stay ref, it's game over now. So, alright, we're just gonna make it quieter.
Because now they even check the ECU.
Yeah, they check the ECU. If you have any sort of tune, you're done. You're done for. You get locked up, you end up with R. Kelly. It's game over. Alright, so we're gonna install the other one, and that's it. Next time you'll see the car, it'll be pushing 1,000 horsepower, and we'll be installing a bigger turbo.
Oh, yes.
Start it up with the resonator.